Has there been any evidence? Has there been any allegation? Has there been anything that says that Allu Arjun was not responsible? Or was he irresponsible? That being one part of it. What about the fans? What about this whole culture of frenzy that gets created? What about the PR agency? What about the theatres? What about the internal space where there were only X number of people allowed? And look at the numbers that had gathered outside. These are questions, these are ready-made recipes for disasters to strike. In this case, it happened at a theatre where Allu Arjun's Pushpa 2 was being screened, a special screening for this. This could happen anywhere else. You have people 4 times, 5 times more than the allowed capacity. It's a disaster in waiting.
Absolutely. See, first of all, that cinema hall is a ticketed venue. It cannot admit any more occupants than the number of tickets and seats on offer. Second, I have the FIR open before me, and I'll just read 2 sentences from the FIR. The first informant says that his wife and son purchased tickets to the Sandhya 70mm theatre at around 9:10 p.m. By that time, the theatre was filled with a crowd, and at around 9:40 p.m., actor Allu Arjun, who was about to come to Sandhya 70mm theatre, his personal security persons is removing the crowd from the theatre. My wife and son, who were in the lower balcony, were unable to breathe and due to suffocation had fallen down. Clearly, it shows that the theatre, a lot more people came in. Second, it shows that the entire wave of stampede occurred when the actor Allu Arjun came, because people go into a frenzy and stars are aware of this. And a lot of stars with good business acumen.
Aditya, for the part of the FIR that you said, for the part of the FIR that you read, isn't the fact that the allegation is that as the actor was coming and the people were being removed, my wife and my child could not breathe? Isn't that what the FIR says? And if it is that case, how can you say that Allu Arjun's arrival alone was responsible for it? What was the bandobast that the police did that suddenly Allu Arjun is coming and then all the people have to be removed? Police did not know that Allu Arjun will be coming?
No.
Or police did not know what frenzy Allu Arjun's fans are? Where is the bandobast? I mean, a simple question. I'm not absolving the actor. Let the legal process happen. Let the courts decide whether the actor is responsible or not. But what about other stakeholders? This is what Varun Dhawan has said. It's not the actor alone, but where are the others?
See, film industry has a tendency to always protect its brethren. We've seen it from the days from so many stars who entered controversies. Main munna hu, bhai nahi, and so many things, Film industry people always cover their fellow ones. Second, I would like to say that does Mr. Allu Arjun watch movie every weekend like a common citizen? Does he go book a ticket? No. He would probably be watching movies in special screenings and whatnot. But he that day chose to be like a member of the public.
Screening. Every actor does, from Rajnikant to Kamal Hassan to Mohanlal to Mammootty. Every actor, I'm saying South because you particularly focused on the South, but this is true for Bollywood as well. So every star actor does this. Aditya, Aditya Pratap, respond please, because while Khushbu Jain is saying this, there are others who are saying this is nothing short of a political witch hunt. You're punishing somebody for being a celebrity. That's the other side of the coin.
This is a repeat of the 2016 Shah Rukh Khan Vadodara episode, because this was basically a very publicly choreographed promotional event and a celebrity screening. In fact, if we see the entire in law, there is a test called the dominant purpose test. If that day Allu Arjun goes to watch his own movie in the cinema hall, what is the dominant purpose behind that visit? Was it to watch a film like an innocent member of the public?
Did you pick up? No, answer one more.